This 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bay 38AB is a Super CRV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 39 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, Slideout, water heater, stovetop burner, awning, LP detector, TV, refrigerator, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bay 38AB is built on a Freightliner S2RV chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.